my name is Leila and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually doing a makeup review for a friend of mine who sells like lip scents products, and I didn't know that they actually sell other things besides just the lipsticks that are supposed to last forever. They also have blushes and eyeliners and foundation and like the whole shebang, which is, I guess, really cool. So I decided to put some of those products to the test. So here I've got an eyeshadow. It's in Rose Gold Shimmer, which I think might be discontinued. I recently had to look to see, I wanted to figure out what is my skin tone. Like, do I have warm tones or cool tones? And I've discovered I'm mostly neutral. I lean a little bit more towards warm tones, but I can wear warms, neutrals, and cools all fairly equally well. I would just say I don't really like blue reds. I think that those look nasty on me, but besides that, it's pretty cool. I know I totally need to redo my nails. It's a gel, but I actually put it on top of a thin, just a regular top coat of lacquer because I like the color of a gel. I just don't like how long they last because I'm fickle. I like to change up my look a lot. Alright, so I've just got this little wand thing. It comes with a wand, which I actually find to be very clever because a lot of the times I'm finding like these cream shadows come in little pots, but I think the downfall to those is they tend to dry out. So I've got my mirror here because otherwise I won't see what I'm doing very well. Anyway, because this one comes in a tube, I seriously doubt that it's gonna dry out. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see. Do you see how sparkly that is? I think that's really, really pretty. And just a little bit goes a long way. Just kind of gives me just a glowy, kind of bronzy look. Yes, I'm one of the few that can actually wear both pink and orange, I think, equally well, which is kind of cool. I don't necessarily own a lot of orange clothing, but all right, now for a little bit of mascara. I've already done just like the basics, like foundation and concealer, a little bit of contour for this look. I'm not into like the drastic contours that people do, so if you don't notice, that's a good thing. All right, oops. Alright, after this I'll show you a blush that I got. Now you'll have to pardon my crazy hair today. It's the third morning that I've had my hair this way, and I am going to take it out later for a different video. So I'm going to start a series on like Diary of a Wavy Haired Girl, something like that. Sorry about that. I had to stop the video because I ended up with an eyelash in my eye. Oh, I hate that. I hate that when that happens. Okay, so their blush actually also comes in a tube. It's like a cream blush, which I usually veer away from. This one is called Terracotta, and it kind of has an orangey tone to it, just a little bit. And usually I do not use orangey type makeups, but I figured, you know what, I want to give it a try. I know that peach, kind of that light dewy peach is really in for the spring, I think. Okay, so I'm just putting it here. I'm not rubbing it like right here, but I'm just kind of keeping it further back. I know it looks really severe at the moment. I'm just gonna pat it. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be applied or if you're supposed to put it like on a specific makeup brush. But you know what? I am not the makeup police. Okay, and I'm just gonna blend it in with a little, I don't know. This is an old worn brush of mine, obviously. And I do clean it out. Okay, so I just kind of blend that in. Okay, So can you guys see? So I really do like these things. They do last all day. They don't tend to smudge or anything like that. The blush doesn't fade throughout the day. It stays completely put, which is nice. So by the end of the day, I don't look pale and ashen. So, although I might feel it depending on my day, at least I don't look it. So anyway, I just wanted to do that review for my friend. And yes, I absolutely like these products a ton. Ooh, hey, I'm gonna adjust the lighting while the camera is on. Look at that. Sorry, I'm such a dork. Anyway, so yes, I definitely like these products. I actually might favor these over the lipstick because I kind of have a love-hate relationship with that, but that's a personal thing. So, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in an upcoming one again soon. Bye. Thank you for watching.